Hola gentecita, ya tengo purpose. ¡Woo! Hola damas, caballeros, niños, nerds, geeks y believers. Pues que les cuento que ya tengo hashtag purpose de Justin Bieber. Estaba planeado para salir hasta el 13 de noviembre, o sea, mañana o hoy a las 12 de la noche. Y lo podías ir a comprar en físico y digital. Pues yo, navegando por internet, me di cuenta que yo ya podía descargar Purpose. Sí, el 11 de noviembre, 2 días antes de que saliera. Sí, no soy tan fan de Justin Bieber, pero con Purpose, pues yo me puedo volver un Believer Boy. Y pues vamos a hacer un tipo unboxing de todas las canciones que trae este disco. La primera canción es Mark My Words. El segundo tema es I'll Show You.
My life is a movie and everyone's watching. So let's.
El tercer tema es What Do You Mean.
What do you mean? Oh, when you nod your head yes, but you wanna say no.
Cuarta canción es Sorry.
You gotta go and get angry at all of my honesty. You know I try but I don't do too well.
El quinto tema es Love Yourself.
For all the times that you rain on my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name.
El sexto es Company.
Be each other's company, oh company. Listen each other's lonely nights, be each other's paradise.
El séptimo es No Pressure. Octavo es No Sense.
And then with you, it don't make no sense unless I'm doing it with you.
The Feeling.
I'm notorious for thinking you're full of beautiful instead of hollow. Sugar on your lips is hard to kill, dragging like a pill, so I
Life is Worth Living.
try to figure out which way to go. It's like you're stuck on a treadmill, running in the same place. You got your hands.
El onceavo es Where Are You Now.
I need you, 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 I need you the most. I gave you the key.
Children.
What about the children? Look at all the children we can change. What about a vision?
La 3 es Purpose.
I put my all into your hands. Here's my soul to keep. I let you in with all that I can. You're not hard to reach, and you blessed me with the best gift.
Being You.
Feeling the remnants, gone in an instant, blink of an eye, no goodbye. I had a notion,
Get Used to Me.
we used to be just friends, protected both our interests. Our trust was in a bank, that's where our hearts were safe. And then we got closer, separate.
We Are.
birthday. You ain't gotta question it. You already know the answer. The truth will make us
trust.
that we could be in love somehow. If you want the best for us, like I want the best for us, then we gotta learn it.
All it needs.
Don't do nothing unless your heart's in it, heart's in it, heart's in it.
Hit the ground.
I'm just trying to find my way back home. Can't help but wrong, my signal's gone. Guess this journey's left me on my own. I don't care why, I'm alone, alone, alone. And if I could forget about the way
The most.
so where are you now that I need you? I need you the most.
Bueno, chamacos, geekeros, believers y lo que sean, espero que les haya gustado este tipo unboxing de un disco. A lo mejor va a ser criticado como fueron criticados los Black Eyed Peas en su momento cuando sacaron The Beginning y The End. Y si les gustó, ya saben, compartan el video, pongan favoritos, denle like y no olviden suscribirse en un botonito que está por aquí, no sean tacaños. El día de hoy es gratis y mañana también, así que no les cuesta nada. Ayúdenme con una suscripción, un like y pues síganme en todas mis redes sociales. No olviden seguirme en Facebook, en Instagram, en Twitter, en Tumblr. Todas mis demás redes sociales las voy a dejar en la cajita de descripciones para que me sigan y podamos estar en contacto toda la semana, nada más los sábados. Y pues nos vemos en la próxima.